Today we are going to learn something from blooming science about birds. Do you know, kids, what are birds? Birds are animals that have wings to fly. You know, most of the birds can fly and they lay eggs. Birds that can fly are crow. Crows are very intelligent and they are known for their loud sound. What is this, children? Yes, parrot. Parrot loves to eat green chilies and you can keep parrot as your pet. Now tell me, which bird is this? It is an eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds with excellent eyesight. Some birds cannot fly, like ostrich. Ostrich has large eyes and powerful legs. Now tell me, which bird is this? Yes, penguin. Penguin can swim in water and it likes to eat fish. Now tell me, which bird is this? This is kiwi. Kiwis have very long beak and brown feathers. Let's revise. Birds are animals that have wings to fly, like crow, parrot, eagle. But some birds cannot fly, like ostrich, kiwi, and penguin. Now you know about birds.